Okay, this is the Razor electric bike. I'm just gonna give it a whirl. Come on then, baby. In terms of height reference, J-Pack is 44 inches tall, which is roughly 1 metre and 12 centimetres. He can reach the floor with his feet, and I actually think he should actually go on the next stage up, which is the MX350. However, I would highly recommend this bike to any young riders that want to build their confidence. J-Pack had loads of fun riding this bike, and I'm sure your kids will too. The bike is said to have a 40-minute running time.